This is a test with the Rode mic on the slider. We're sliding right to left, as can be seen, and I'm just interested to know if we get any noise using the Rode mic from the slider. This is the slow speed. I'm now about to change it to the high speed. This is high speed. Okay, as can be seen, we're now sliding left to right. Okay, that's the test with the GH4. Okay, this is a test with the GoPro on the slider, and I'm going to slide from right to left initially. I'm using the Sennheiser mic. Okay, I'm now going to slide from left to right with the Zen mic as well, to see if there's any difference in the noise of the slider. To me, there's a very big difference in the noise of the slider. Okay, that's the Zen mic. Okay, this is another test with the GoPro. This time I'm using the Removu mic with the dead kitten, and we're going to slide from right to left. Okay, so now I'm using the Removu mic again, and we're sliding from left to right. It's the slider is definitely noisier in this direction. I'm going to put the mic next to the slider. Okay, I've moved the mic away. Okay, that's that one over.